Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using deep powders. So here are the powders that I will be using today. These are from the brand Lavender Violet. So this is what it looks like in the box, and when you open it up, so here what it looks like. So as you can see, this comes in a kit. So you get 4 powders and 4 liquids, which is base, activator, top coat, and brush saver. So here are the close-up look of all the powders. So to start off, I apply my nail primer, which is from Model Ones. So once it's all dry, I move on to the step number 1, which is the base. So I apply a thin layer of this on all of my nails and then immediately dip into the powder and tap the excess. Then once all my nails are done, I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the second coat. So I apply a thin layer of the base and again dip into the powder and tap the excess. So again, I brush off all the excess powder. And then next, I use my Lunula acrylic powder. This is a clear powder. So I use this to encapsulate the color. So I apply a thin layer again of the base and then again dip into the powder and tap the excess. What it does is it protects the color from piling and buffing. So now I brush off all the excess powder and move on to the step 2, which is the activator. So I apply generous amount of activator to all of my nails and then wait few minutes and then start buffing and filing my nails. And then after buffing and filing, I apply another layer of activator. And then move on to the top coat, which is the step number 3. So I apply 2 layers of top coat. And once the top coat is all dry, I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my cuticle. And we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!